Spring is in the air, and it's a good thing too, because everyone is done with winter, and no one wants to be stuck at home anymore. We want to get out there. We want to party.
I'm excited, and I feel relaxed, and I'm ready to party!
And that creates a perfect storm for this week's profit opportunity. Hi, I'm Matthew Carr, Chief Trends Strategist at the Oxford Club. Thank you for watching this episode of Market Trends. As always, if you're new here, be sure to hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications so you never miss out on my best trading ideas, which I share here each and every week. Okay, so in February, mask mandates in California, Connecticut, Delaware, Illinois, and Maryland, they all came to an end. And at the moment, there are like only 3 states with mask mandates still in effect: Hawaii, Oregon, and Washington.
Guys, please give me a second to catch up.
That just highlights how the environment is changing for businesses as the pandemic hopefully, finally winds to a close. So now the only question is, where can we go to party? Well, for anyone looking for food, drinks, and high-end arcade games, Dave & Buster's Entertainment, ticker symbol PLAY, is one of the go-to destinations. The full-service restaurant plus hangout venue has 143 locations in operation across 40 states. And despite the lingering pandemic, which I would like to argue feels like it should just be recognized as normal course of business at this point, well, that hasn't stopped Dave & Buster's. It's expanded its operations by 4 new locations just over the past year. And that speaks volumes to me, because in the third quarter of 2021, the company saw revenue increase 6.2% above revenue in the third quarter of 2019. That means business at the moment is better than pre-pandemic levels. And Dave & Buster's is more profitable now than it was before the pandemic began.
You love to see it.
Net income per share in the third quarter of 2021 was 21 cents, compared with just 2 cents in the third quarter of 2019. The company has not released fourth quarter results yet. They'll be released at the end of March, possibly early April. They haven't confirmed a date yet. But the other thing I want to point out to investors is that the company's walk-in comparable sales at its restaurants are up compared with the same period in 2019. That means COVID-19, mask mandates, and vaccine statuses, none of that is undermining its growth. In fact, business is accelerating. Through the first 5 weeks of the fourth quarter, Dave & Buster's reported walk-in comparable sales were up 14%, as same-store sales were up 3.5%.
I am successful, I'm powerful, I'm handsome, I'm happy.
And those aren't year-over-year increases compared to 2020, but those are increases over the same period in 2019. Again, it's performing better than pre-pandemic levels. Now, when the company finally reports full year 2021 results, Dave & Buster's is projected to see revenue increase 204% to $1.33 billion. At the same time, and more importantly, in my opinion, earnings per share are forecast to improve from a loss of $4.75 in 2020 to a gain of $2.30. Now, looking ahead to 2022, we're not going to see that triple-digit growth, but there's still a lot of upside here, right? At the moment, shares of Dave & Buster's are off steeply from their 52-week highs of above $51. We're right at this $41 level, which I really like as an entry point, especially as we see this growth continue for the rest of 2022. So mask mandates have been laid to rest, at least we can all hope for the last time. It's a new year, the seasons are changing, the weather is getting warmer, and everyone wants to get back out there, have some fun, and just kind of return to business as normal. For a stock like Dave & Buster's, this is a perfect opportunity for profits, and it's one investors shouldn't pass up. Well, I'm Matthew Carr, Chief Trends Strategist at the Oxford Club. Thank you for watching this episode of Market Trends. For more information like this, be sure to go down to the description and sign up for my free e-letter. Until next time, here's to high returns.